How to join Temu affiliate program. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about joining the Temu affiliate program, and here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and then go ahead and type in Temu affiliate program in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. So you can earn money by promoting Temu products, so you have to join the Temu affiliate program. So tap on the Temu affiliate program, that is the initial website that appears in the search results. Now, once you're here, you need to click on the sign in or register option in the top right corner of this page. Now you can continue with your Google account, or you can use another way to sign in. Enter the correct form of your email address in this box and then tap on continue. Now enter the password, which must be minimum 8 characters. Now tap on register, which is highlighted in orange color. Now once you're logged in with your account, Temu might ask for additional details, which is linked to your social media accounts, website, or other places that you plan to promote Temu, and your country and the region for the tax and payment reasons. So submit this information and wait for approval. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Now, after approval, you can log into your affiliate dashboard, find the products you want to promote, and create a unique referral link for each product. Copy the link and share it on your social media, YouTube, blogs, TikTok, or any other platforms. And when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission of potentially 20 to 50% in some cases. The more people who click and buy, the more you earn. And then you can choose how you want to be paid, either through PayPal, bank transfer, or anything else that is available. Withdraw your money once you've earned enough to meet the minimum payout amount. And that's all there is to it. So this is how you can go ahead and join Temu affiliate program. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.